Welcome! In front of me I have Redmi Smart Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, select the display option, and here you should see the brightness option. Tap on it, and now we can adjust the screen brightness by swiping up and down on the slider. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, swipe right on the screen a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.